What tools do you suggest to make sure that I can actually show up on page 1 of Google? Because I don't want to be one of those page 5. Page 5, there is no page 5. What tools can I use to hit top page of Google?
Answer the Public is a great one, but I'm biased because we own it. Ubersuggest is another one, again, biased because I own it. SEMrush is great. Ahrefs is great. Moz is good. There's a lot of tools out there. The problem isn't what tools you need. The issue is to do really well, you need amazing content, a great user experience, and you need backlinks. So our people aren't going to really link to you unless you have a great user experience and you have a great content. Great user experience you can solve over time. You just keep tweaking and adjusting based on where users have issues, making sure your site loads fast, things like that. Content, people are lazy and they don't want to write amazing content, or they want to write similar content to their competition, but nothing unique, new, and fresh. People don't want to read stuff that's already been regurgitated 1,000 times. They want to read stuff that's fresh and new. That's the struggle most people have when it comes to ranking well on Google.
Thanks for watching Mark Svant Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Svant Media. Peace.